Hi everyone, how are you? All of you doing well? So in this video I'm going to tell you that what problem I am facing right now in speaking English. So as you guys know that there is six levels in English speaking people like A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Then I am thinking I am at the level of B1 and I have to make myself at the C1 level. I have to reach now. Initially my goal is here, and after then I will try to improve my English. I will try to take my English to C2 level. First I have to go to C1 level. So my problem is my biggest problem is vocabulary. Whenever I am trying to speak English, I'm stuck in vocabulary, and nowadays I am learning. Grammar is not my biggest problem. I can handle, but not much handle. But I can handle to grammar. Like I make grammar mistake, but as much as I have no vocabulary much. So from where I have to take vocabulary? If you have idea, then write in the comment section, and I'm going to tell you that what I am doing to improve my vocabulary. So I am reading context. If I am reading any context, I am trying to put out new vocabularies. I am underlining that, and I am reading my book a lot. English grammar, English literature book I am reading nowadays. And you tell me that where you are, what is the problem you are facing in speaking English. I know there is a lot of people who are too much beginner, who understand English, but when it's time to come to open their mouth, they is stuck. They afraid is to opening their mouth because they think that people would judge them. What if I spoke wrong English? Then I want to tell you here, when I was beginner, I was not knowing how to speak English. I was too much beginner. I was getting English, I was understanding English, but I was not able to speak English. Then I decided that anyhow I have to start. As if you have not watched my first video, then go at my YouTube channel and watch first video. In that I have told already that why I started learning English. Because I started, like guys, if you have a purpose to do anything, if you have a purpose that why you are doing this thing, then you will do that. In my case, there was this was the same. I was like, I have to learn English speaking, because when we learn English language, like we become more confident. Now you can ask the question that how do you know that before English speaking you are not much confident, and after speaking English we can got this thing that we become more confident than before. Yes, when I was learning English and I was saying to the people who knows English, people think that if anyone is speaking English, that must be very intelligent. I was thinking that then why should I not learning English? If people understand that if you know how to speak English, they will get you that you are intelligent. Then I started, and my inspiration was a girl named Janvi Pawar, who was at that time very famous Wonder Girl. To sing her, I get inspiration that I have to learn English language. And whenever I used to see to any YouTuber um, who are speaking very good English, there was inside myself something that no, I have to learn English. Then the thing is there, when you have a clear purpose to do anything, you will become good and good in this, or that can be anything. Nowadays I am not getting too much time. My third problem is here. Like I'm living in Surat, and from village I have come since to like uh, there was ticket to 26 July, 26 July, June, July, August, yes, 26 July there was, to 26 July there was ticket, and we came here to 27 July and here. And I am not getting much time to preparing my um, because I'm doing a lot of things. I have to create content, I have to be like, I have to research. That is why I'm getting a little time. But by the way, leave it. Anyhow, I have to be an advanced English speaker. If you are facing any problem in speaking English, let me know in the comment section. I will read that and I will try to solve your problem. Bye bye.